Hi everybody, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix hotspot problem in your device Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. So if you're facing hotspot connection problem, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix hotspot problem in your device OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G.